If you're looking for information on the Boolvideo Lifetime Deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Boolvideo Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Boolvideo Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Stop editing videos. Hit generate. Our AI marketing video generator is the most lightweight option available online, allowing you to save significant time and improve your efficiency. It's perfect for online shop owners on platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. How it works. Number 1. Upload. Import Shopify product detail page or upload images as you like. Number 2. AI generate. Our AI engine will automatically extract product features and generate videos for you in seconds. Number 3. Enjoy. Take your personalized high-quality video directly or from dozens more. Number 4. Share. Download your fav video for ads, SEO and social media marketing, etc. Boolvideo Lite is an AI platform that generates promo videos for e-commerce businesses using product pages and images. It accepts popular image formats with no size limits and automatically extracts essential information from the store to integrate into the video. The platform also offers dozens of video styles created by expert visual designers with catchy music to make the video stand out. Videos can be exported in various resolutions and aspect ratios and are stored in the history log for future use. With Boolvideo Lite, businesses can promote their products with stunning videos generated in minutes using a sophisticated AI engine. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Boolvideo Lite today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.